guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a bonus video. I don't normally post on Saturdays, but I had some extra content that I wanted to share with you guys, and so I thought I would just go ahead and fit it in as an extra video. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about reselling again. So this video specifically, I'm going to be sharing a subscription service with you guys. It is called Fashion Maids. I just heard about it. It's actually a brand new service, and they did reach out to me and ask me if they could send me a box to unbox and share with you guys. This is not sponsored. They did send this package to me for free, but they are not paying me to do this post. In fact, they said I don't have to share it with you guys if I didn't feel the need to, but I thought it was a cool idea, so I thought I would go ahead and share what I got in my box and what it's about and all of that. So yeah, let's get into it. So you guys know I love Poshmark, and I also love doing subscription boxes. So I'm constantly on my channel here talking about both subscription boxes and Poshmark. So I thought this would be a perfect video because it kind of marries both of those topics. So Fashion Maids, like I mentioned, they are brand new. I think they launched a couple months ago now. And basically their service, you can either just order a one-time box, or you can sign up for a monthly subscription box, and it is meant specifically for resellers. You don't have to sell on Poshmark, but it's for reselling, you know, on eBay or Poshmark, Mercari, wherever you sell. They send you mixed sizes. You don't get to pick your sizes. And it's, you know, just like a mystery box. So each month, if you sign up for the monthly box, it's $65 a month for 10 items. And all items are supposed to be new with tags. So that breaks down to about $6.50 per item. That's kind of average for what I would expect to pay at a thrift store. Usually I'm paying, depending on the item, I mean, whether it's like a tank top or a dress or a pair of shoes, my cost of goods usually ranges anywhere from like $1 up to $10 if I pay up for something. So it is kind of in that range, and since it's new with tags, it seemed like it would be kind of a good deal, so I thought I would try it out. It really just depends on the quality of the items, whether or not that's a good deal. And then there is also the option, like I mentioned, of a one-time box, which is $10 more. So it's $75 if you choose to do just a one-time box, and that makes your cost of goods $7.50 per item, which is kind of on the higher end. So again, it's new with tags. So usually if I'm in a thrift store and I'm finding items that are new with tags, I will pay up a little bit if it's something that I'm interested in, if it's something I would want to list in my Poshmark store. Currently on my Poshmark, I don't really have like a branded store. Like everyone talks about branding your store and having like a specific style. I feel like I am moving in the direction of having more of a specific style in my store, because I do notice myself gravitating towards, you know, a specific type of style when I'm outsourcing. But a lot of the stuff that I have in my Poshmark closet were things that either were you know, from my personal closet, or things that friends and family, when they cleared out their closets, gave me bags full of stuff to go through and I've been selling. So I do still have a lot in my Poshmark closet that is items that I would not have picked myself. So I'm working towards rebranding, but that's the one main downfall I saw with this type of a service, is that you don't get to select the styles that work with your store. So if you're a really branded store, if you really like a specific type of style, if you go for normally like a certain size, or if you're usually looking for certain brands or anything like that, this would definitely not be for you, because it is a total mystery. They did, when I signed up for this, they did ask me to fill out a little information about what types of stuff I'm looking for. So I can't remember exactly what I said, but I know I said, please no jeans or dresses, because my closet is currently way too full of jeans and dresses for some reason. I feel like when I go into my thrift store, I go straight for those aisles, and I shouldn't, because I have too much already. But so I said, please no jeans or dresses. And I think they asked what your favorite brands were, and I listed off a bunch of brands that I normally sell, and none of those were in here. I think that's about it. They didn't really ask a whole lot. So I think if you signed up for the monthly subscription though, you can probably give them feedback same way as you would do with other clothing subscriptions. You can give them feedback about what you liked and didn't like. But let's look at the products, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it at the end. And also I did want to let you know, they sent, like I said, they sent me a code to get this first box for free, but they sent me a second code to share with a friend. Well, I don't have like friends in real life that are resellers that would actually have any use for that code. So I thought it would be great to include the giveaway in this video. So if you want to enter the giveaway, I will have a link down below. If you're a reseller, please resellers only enter the giveaway, because if you're just a regular person not doing reselling, I don't think that you will have a use for these items, because like I said, it's a variety of sizes. But if you are a reseller and you're looking for some new or some free inventory that is new with tags, make sure you enter the giveaway. I'll have a link down below. The only rule is that you are subscribed to me on my channel here to enter the giveaway. That's it. There will be bonus entries. I always like to include bonus entries for people, so there'll be lots of bonus entries, but to get entered, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel. So yeah, I think that's it. It's just a code they gave me that will give you a one-time box for free. So once I select the winner, I'll just email you the code so you can place your order and have it shipped directly to you. Okay, that's a long intro. So let's get into what was in the box. After I show you all of the clothing items, I will give you guys my thoughts at the end. So, all right, the first thing is this sheer printed blouse here, and it is it's hard to show, but it is a long sleeve blouse. It has a really interesting design on it. I don't know how I would describe the design. It's just got like a bunch of different geometric patterns on there. And it feels very fall to me, like the color scheme at least feels very fall. It is new with tags, so it does have the tags on it, and it has like the extra button. And the brand, most of these brands, but I'll just tell you now, I have not heard of before. The brand is called Hayden Los Angeles, and it is a size small. So that was the first thing that came in. Okay, next up, this one feels very spring to me. So this is like another sheer item. It's like a sheer tank top, and it has like kind of a cream color, and then you have this crocheted insert right in the center there, and then it almost has like a ruffled kind of bottom to it. It's very cute. So that's what that looks like. Hopefully you can see it. Might zoom out a bit because it looks like it's a little close. And then it has just like a single button closure on the back. Again, it does have the tags attached. It is new with tags. None of these tags have any prices on them though. I did look at them. None of them have prices. And this size is a size small. Here's what the label looks like. It's called On 12th. Okay, next up there was a skirt, and this is like a black denim skirt, and it has like a raw, what would you call this? Like almost like a raw destroyed hemline here. And it does have kind of an A-line shape to it. And that's what it looks like. And then it has like a stretchy waistband, which is interesting. This one, again, it does have the tags attached, no price or anything like that on it. And this is the brand Honey Punch. And this brand is called Honey Punch, and it is a size small. Oh, okay, so this next piece, this is the only item in the whole box that I received that I recognized the brand or had heard of the brand before. This is a brand that is sold at Macy's. I don't know if it's sold anywhere else, but I have seen it at Macy's. So this is an interesting little top. I think this is actually kind of cute. It's not a style I would normally gravitate towards or pick up, but I do think it will do okay. So it's got like this crocheted sweetheart neckline right here, and then it's really beautiful, very spring feeling floral bottom to it, and it's just this little spaghetti strap tank top, and then it has like these little pom-poms hanging off the top. I just thought it was really cute. And like I said, this is a brand that is sold at Macy's. The brand is American Rag, and again, this is another size small. So I'm not gonna go through prices and everything on here because I want to wait till the end to talk to you guys about my thoughts about pricing and all of that. Okay. Oh, this one was interesting as well. So next up, we've got this one. Oh, that one did that one have tags? Yes. Yes, this one did have new with tags as well. And this actually had a Macy's clearance sticker on it. So yes, this was from Macy's. I almost forgot to mention that. But this, the last price shown on here was $13.93. Original price was $48. So that was this item. Okay, and then the next thing, this had some return receipts on it, which I thought was kind of funny. So again, this item is from Macy's. It's this kind of it's this dark orange colored tank top, and then it has this really pretty embroidered handkerchief hemline. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me hold it up higher. Can you see that? Yeah, it's like an embroidered hemline, and it has a little handkerchief bottom to it. It's very cute actually. Very soft material. And obviously this is another Macy's brand because it has like a Macy's return receipt stapled to it. This is the brand Grace Elements, and this is actually a size medium. So that's what it looks like. Again, it does have the original tags attached, but there's like a receipt on here as well. I think it's like a gift receipt, actually, not a return receipt. But this was on clearance for $15 is the lowest price on here. I will say everything looks very like seasonally appropriate for the most part. Next, another tank top, and this one is a cream colored tank top again. And then this one has along the neckline the sequins. They're kind of like a mixture of colors, but pretty much like gold and champagne colored sequins, just like that, right on the hemline. And then it feels like linen. It's not linen, but it has the kind of linen type of texture to the fabric. And then this brand is called N Cream. This brand is called N Cream, and I think this is a small again. Yes, it's another size small, and it does have the tags attached again. So that's what that looks like. Okay, this one was interesting to me. I feel like it probably will sell, but I would never pick this up. I'll just show you. So this is a little romper, and it is a completely crocheted romper. I actually should list this right away because festival season is like right around the corner, and I feel like that someone would buy this for that. It's got the sweetheart neckline again. It's completely crocheted, and then in the center here, the crochet is like more open, so you can actually see skin through it. And then you have these teeny tiny little shorts. Like this is the smallest. I'm gonna step back a bit. This is like the smallest romper in history. It's so tiny. When I first pulled it out, I was like, is this a children's size? Because it's so small, but it's not. It is for adults. It's just a very short pair of shorts. And the brand is May and July, and it is, again, another size small. Again, it does have the tags attached, so here's that, but no pricing on it, just the tags from the brand. Okay, next up we have another tank top. This one's a really pretty blush color tank top, and this one feels more substantial than the other ones. The other ones are very lightweight fabrics. This one's very substantial. It has, it's like fully lined, and it has these really pretty ruffle sleeves. Hopefully you can see that pretty good. It'll look a lot nicer on a hanger, but it has these really pretty ruffled sleeves that go down pretty long. And then it does have this little belt in the back, which is kind of different because I don't think there's a way to adjust the size of this belt, so that's a little weird. But that's what it looks like. It's very basic except the ruffle sleeve. That is the main detail on this, and then that little belt in the back. It does have a hidden zipper in the back, and the brand is Do and B, and this is a size medium. Again, there's the tags. Okay, this is my least favorite item from the box. I just don't, I don't like the style of this. I honestly don't think I'll even list this in my closet, but I don't know. You guys let me know down below what you think. I feel like sometimes, I don't know. I'd love to hear you guys' opinions on all of these items. So this is a vest. Let me see if I can open it up right. It's just wanting to move all over the place. Okay, this is just a vest. It's like a light gray vest, kind of like career apparel style. It has a single button closure right there. It does have the faux pockets. These aren't real pockets. And then in the back, it does have a little bit of a more narrow back to it, almost like a razorback sort of. So that's what it looks like. This is the only item that came in my box that was not new with tags. So it does look like it was never worn, but there are no tags attached to this item. The brand on this is Potter's Pot, and there is no size on this item. And this is a size small. The size tag on the top is, well, there is no size tag on the top here, if I could get it straight. But the material tag on the bottom does say it's a size small. Okay, and the final item, this is a blazer. Now when I saw this, I thought that these went together, but they're different colors. This is more gray, and this one is definitely more of a, like a beigey brown color. But this is just a blazer, a very basic blazer. That's what it looks like. Again, it has a single button closure. It's a little bit more of a boxy style to it. And then this was my only like larger size. Everything was a small or a medium in the box except this one item. And this is from the brand Have Plus, and it is a 1X. This one does have the button attached, but there's no tag attached. So it just has a replacement button. So I would probably list this like like new without tags, since it doesn't have the original tags on it. It just has like the button, so it clearly was never worn, but it does not have any tags. So yeah, that was the last item. Okay, I will say they did also send me a necklace. I don't know if they always send a bonus item or if they just did this since I'm an influencer. So I can't, you know, say for sure whether or not you would get a bonus item, but they did send me this like necklace, this tiered necklace, and that was it. Okay, so that was everything that came in my box. So my final thoughts, I feel like pretty much everything, with the exception of the 2 items that had the Macy's stickers on them, I think all of these are coming from like maybe a boutique. The brands that are in here I'm not familiar with, and they look like boutique brands. So I'm assuming that the owners of this business are probably doing retail arbitrage, and maybe they have like a relationship with a local boutique where they're getting products from them that didn't sell or something like that at discount prices, and that's how they're building this box. I don't typically like to pick up boutique brands for my store because I find that they don't have enough of a following, so they don't get a lot of searches and they just don't sell as quickly. Now, there are exceptions to that. I definitely have some boutique items in my store. If it's a really cute style or a style that I personally like or feel like fits in my closet, I would definitely pick it up for the right price. I don't think I would pick it up for the price of $6.50, or definitely not for $7.50 if you're buying this as a one-time box. I think it would be a little bit too much. So just like I say every time I do an unboxing on a monthly subscription box, it's very hard to judge a box on a one-time. I feel like you have to try it for at least 2 or 3 months consecutively to get a good feel for whether or not it's a box that you want to continue with. I think based on this first impressions, I probably would not buy another box. Or I wouldn't, you know, spend $65 for this box, because I feel like I could go to my local thrift store and get better quality for that price. If I had $65 and I went to my local Value Village, I feel like I could get better stuff. Maybe not as much, maybe not 10 items, but I definitely feel like I could get better stuff for that amount of money. However, I will say, if you live in an area where you don't have a good option for a thrift store, this might be a good way to do some sourcing. I know when I lived in California in the East Bay, we had no good thrift stores. All our thrift stores were really awful. Like I went in a couple times and I just didn't even feel comfortable going in there. Like everything was just really dirty and unclean, and there was no good brands at all. It was like Walmart brands. So I never went thrifting when I lived there. But if I were still living there and wanting to do reselling, this would maybe be a good option. I still feel like it's just a little high. That's my opinion. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion. What do you think? And if you're interested in trying out this box, definitely make sure you enter that giveaway. And whoever wins this, I really want to know what you get and if you're happy or satisfied with it, or if you would be willing to spend your money on it. So that's the thing about being an influencer. When you get these items for free like this, you have to really step back and say, would I actually spend $65? I mean, it's nice I got all this free inventory, and I'm going to list most of this. I think I'm not going to list the best, but I might list the rest of it. But would I actually pay $65 of my own money to buy this? Probably not. And if I did, I don't think I would have been very happy. So that's just my opinion. I'd love to hear your guys' opinion, and that's it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this little bonus video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.